So the question is, a cyclist is riding with a speed of 27 km per hour. As he approaches a circular turn on the road of radius 80 meter, he applies brakes and reduces his speed at the constant rate of 0.5 meter per second every second. What is the magnitude and direction of the net acceleration of the cyclist on the circular turn? Speed of the cycle is 27 km per hour. Uh, when converted to meter per second, it is coming out to be 7.5. The situation is shown in the figure like this. So the centripetal acceleration is given by v squared by r, and if we put the value of v and r here, we find out to be 0.7 meter per second square, and the tangential acceleration is given as 0.5 meter per second square. So eventually the acceleration is root over of AC square plus AT square, which is coming out to be 0.86 meter per second square. Now for direction, we know tan theta equals AC divided by AT. So if we get the value of theta to be 54.46 degrees.